Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video, we will learn how to make and use 3D faces in Roblox. So firstly, we have to open our browser, and in the search panel of our browser, we'll type roblox.com. After Roblox website has opened, we have to go to the Create tab. From there, we'll go to the Documentations tab. Then click on Avatar. After that, from the left hand side of the screen, we'll head to the Character section, and under the Head section, we'll select using heads in Studio. From here, we'll click on the blocky character model. Now the blocky character model has been downloaded. Let's take it to the desktop. Now let's head back to Roblox Studio. It is where we'll be making our 3D face. So then we'll head to the My Games tab. Then click on any game. Let the game load first. So now the game has loaded. And after the game loads, we will head to the Plugins tab. From here, we'll click on the Avatar Importer. We have to select the retro model. Now from the desktop, we'll see that the model file is here. So we'll just click on Open. Continue as retro. Now the avatar is imported. So we'll just place it on the ground. After he has been successfully imported to our game, we will head to the Avatar tab from the top hand side of our screen. Then click on the Animation Editor. Now select the rig and give the rig a name. So I'll give it 3D head. Then click on Create. Now from here, you have to select the Faces Editor. The Faces Editor might pop up as a small window. You can just enlarge it. Then zoom into your character. From here, you can just select the dots in the facial structure to edit it and make different facial emotions. So just add some facial expressions. And after you are done, you can just click on the three dots in here. Then click on Publish to Roadbook. After that, you have to give it a title, a description. Then select it if it is a development item or a UGC item. Then select the category as animation. And creator can be you or your group. Then click on the Save button. Now it has been successfully uploaded. And if you click on this button here, which it will copy the asset ID. So after that, you can use this code anywhere and use the animation you just created for the 3D face. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.